Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Alright, to the point, if you want to make the chart in the Google Sheet, you are just going to make the data, and I already added data here, and go to insert and select chart. So you can change the chart types. So select the pie. Alright, and you can change the data range. So select the data range, like, just click OK. Alright, you can change for the label, add label, and select data range. So I think select this here and select the value. So this is great. Just click OK, and oops, sorry. Okay, can select the value. Click OK. Alright, that's it. You can see for the year for the level and the people for the value. Alright, that's how you can create a pie chart in Google Sheet. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.